do I connect this Smarty Pants phone to this Fujifilm X-T3 step by step. Let me show you. So how we connect these two is by going into the menu and going in the tool menu. We go into Bluetooth settings and push pairing registration, and also open the app. Select pairing registration, and it's right up there. And we say yes, let's pair these two. And now the camera asks if it should set the time and date from the smartphone, and that's pretty smart. So I say yes to that. So this is how you pair it. Let's say OK to that. Let's go out of the menu. If we want to control the camera, we can now choose remote control. Connect to the camera via Wi-Fi. And we say yes, join. Because often your own network will take over the phone. So you have to actively change it. So now we enter the remote and it works. So this is how you do that, and you take control over the camera, and then you say OK to disconnect when you don't want to control it anymore. To do something else, I went out of the app and back into it, and then it sort of activates the communication between the two. And then if you want to receive pictures, you can do that. And it will ask to join the Wi-Fi network, because again my own Wi-Fi network takes over the phone when this is not active between the two. And that's why it's pretty nice to have this Bluetooth connection, because you don't have to go in and out of the settings all the time. And now I can send an individual image. Of course it's black, because I took a black picture before. I could just say OK to transmit, and then a black picture will come here. But this is basically how it works. And then I'll say end, disconnect. Go back to the main menu. So now we can use the phone as a remote release, Pretty cool. That's an extra function you have. And let's go back again. And then you can browse the pictures in the camera. So this is basically how it works. The good tip is to read what it says and do what it says. And have the camera just next to it. There's not much to it. Just be patient. And that's how you do that. See you next time.